Collecting like terms 3. When we simplify an expression, we gather together the same letters. Now the important word in that phrase is simplify. Whenever we're asked to simplify in a question, we're going to be collecting together the like terms. If we have a squared letter, for example a squared, we can only put this together with other same squared letters, i.e. other a squared. Now that's coming up in questions 3 and 4, so keep an eye out for that, people. Here are our examples. Now we're being asked to simplify, there it is, these expressions. We're being asked to collect together the like terms. Now one thing that really helps with this, if you've got different letters, is getting yourself 2 different colours and circling the different letters in the different colours. Okay, we start off with 2x here. We've got 2x plus 3y, that's different so I'll leave it, then plus 7x. Now the important thing when I'm circling that is to make sure that I circle the plus as well. And then minus 5y. Now then, if we put those x's together, we've got 2x plus 7x, which is 9x. Now I'm going to get another colour, and I'm going to circle the y's now. We've got plus 3y, and then minus 5y. Now if we remember about our negative numbers, we start at plus 3y, we move down 5y, we're going to move past 0 to negative 2y. There you go. There's question 1. Question 2. Same kind of idea. Now we've got a's and b's in this one. 5a at first, plus 3b, so we'll ignore that. Minus 8a, remembering to circle the minus, and then plus 8b. Now then, I'm going to get my other colour and I'm going to circle the b's as well. Plus 3b, and then plus 8b. Now then, here we go, I'm going to put my equals just underneath. 5a minus 8a is minus 3a, and then plus 3b plus 8b is plus 11b. Now then, in algebra, we like to keep things tidy. Sometimes it's much better to start an expression with a positive number than a negative number. Here we have the minus 3 there, we've got the plus 11 there, so I'm going to move that plus 11 to the front and write 11b, and move this minus 3a to just after it, so we're starting off with a positive. Okay, question 3. Here's the one with the squareds in. Now then, I'm going to circle the squareds in orange. We have 3x squared plus 5x, we'll leave that out, plus 4x squared. Now I can only put squares with other squares in here. Here we go. 3x squared plus 4x squared is 7x squared. And then we've got plus 5x minus 2x, which is plus 3x when we collect it together. We have to keep those squares and those normal letters separate. We'll have some more practice with that in question 4. Now then, I'm going to circle the squares in orange. 7q squared minus 3q, we'll ignore that, minus 2q squared minus 8q. We'll put the squares together first. 7q squared minus 2q squared is 5q squared plus 3q minus 8q plus 3q minus 8q, and that's going to go down past 0 again and get to minus 5q. Thank you everybody. Hope you enjoy your worksheet. If you've got any problems, ask your teacher. Have a good day.